Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oven enchiladas. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. This includes about 1.5 pounds of cooked, shredded meat, 2 cups of your preferred enchilada sauce, and 12 tortillas. You'll also need some shredded cheese, typically 2 cups, and any desired toppings. Getting everything organized beforehand makes the assembly process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get to the fun part, filling and rolling. Gently warm your tortillas in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds or quickly dip them in warm oil. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Next, dip each tortilla into your enchilada sauce, ensuring it's lightly coated. Then, place about 1/4 cup of your shredded meat and a sprinkle of cheese down the center. Roll them up tightly and place them seam side down in your baking dish. With your enchiladas rolled, it's time to assemble them for baking. Neatly arrange the rolled tortillas in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish, ensuring they fit snugly. Once they are all in place, pour the remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the top, covering every enchilada. Finally, sprinkle generously with the remaining shredded cheese. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until bubbly and hot. Once your enchiladas are out of the oven, let them rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld and prevents them from falling apart. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced avocado for extra freshness and flavor. Serve them hot and enjoy your delicious homemade meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.